Gue yang record. Oke, oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Good morning to everyone. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray finish. Thank you. Okay, student. Before we begin, I will check your attendance first. Abdillah.
Yes, sir.
Oke, Abdillah hadir. Muhammad Elmi
Hadir.
Saputra Jayalani.
Present, sir.
Fitria Sari.
Present, sir.
Oke, Cindy Aulia. Halo, Cindy, hadir nggak? Oh, oke, oke, nge-lag seperti. Oke, kita lanjut aja langsung ke slide berikutnya. Ah, slide berikutnya ini warm up. Before we start before we start the material, I want to ask you some question. Have you ever written announcement at school? Maybe Abdillah want to answer this. What do you think, Abdillah? Have you ever written announcement at school?
What?
Have you ever read an announcement at school? Pertanyaan ada di PPT Abdillah. Pernah lihat nggak? Pasti pernah dong.
Oh, iya pernah, sir.
Oke, betul. And where can we find announcement Abdillah? Usually.
On the board school, sir.
Okay, that's also very good. Excellent. We can find announcement on the school board or WhatsApp group, website, or even other public places. Announcement is important because it gives information to many people. So today we will learn how to read and understand an announcement text. And now let's move on to the next slide. The learning objective. Before lagi. Now let's take a look at our learning objective. After learning this material, you are expected to understand the meaning of announcement text. And you are also expected to identify the social function, understand the structure, find important information, answer questions, and conclude the content of the announcement. So please read carefully and pay attention to the information in the next text. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. What is announcement text? Announcement text is a short text that gives important information to many people. Usually, announcement text is used to inform people about an event, activity, schedule, competition, or important notice. For example, like at school, we can read an announcement about competition, school events, meeting, or even holiday. Now, anyone can you mention one example of announcement at school? Maybe Ellie, can you answer this?
Yes,
One
sir.
example of announcement at school.
I think there is a competition announcement, exam schedule, or school event, sir.
Wow, very good. Those are example of announcement text. And now wait. Social function. Lupa saya. Social function is to inform readers about an important event, activity, or notice. It means announcement text give information that readers need to know. For example, if there is an English competition, the announcement tells us about the competition, the date, the place, and what students should do. So when we read an announcement, we must focus on the important information. And now let's move on to the next slide. Generic structure. There are three parts. The first is title or opening. The heading of or opening line of the announcement. Title or opening tell us the topic of the announcement. The second is content. Content gives the main information such as the event, date, time, place, and participants. The last one is closing or contact. Closing gives additional information, instruction, or the person that we can contact. So remember, the generic structure should be clear, short, and informative. And now let's move on to the next slide. Find important information. Uh, saya yakin pasti kalian juga udah tahu lah apa itu namanya 5W1A, 5W1H. And this is 5W and 1H. First, we have what? The event or activities. We can use question words to help us. First, what? What is the announcement about? Second is who. Who is the announcement for? Third is when. When will the event happen? Fourth, where. Where will the event be held? And the last one, fifth is how. How can people join or what should they do? So when you read an announcement, try to find what, who, when, where, and how. Ya, literally ini 5W1H yang kalian udah pelajari di pelajaran bahasa Indo waktu SMA lah. Now let's move on to the next slide. I I have example of announcement text, and please look at the example of announcement. I will read the text first, and after that you will read it silently. Attention students, our school will hold an English speech competition on Friday, 14 June 2026. The competition will be held in the school hall at 9 a.m. Each class should send one representative. Please register your name to your English teacher before Wednesday day. Thank you. And now, please read it silently. Okay, I think you guys had enough to read that. And now let's discuss together. Let's move on to the next question. And next slide. Next is we have reading question. First, number one, what is the announcements about? The second is who is the announcement for? And dan seterusnya. Mungkin nomor satu yang mau jawab Abdillah. Apakah kamu bisa jawab Abdillah nomor satu?
Ya, saya insya Allah bisa jawab, Pak. Number one,
Ya, apa jawabannya
the
Abdillah?
question is what is the announcement about? The announcement about English speech competition, sir. Is it right, sir?
Okay. Nah, that's correct Abdillah. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Sebenarnya sih habis ini ada jawabannya sih. Nanti kita lihat apakah benar atau tidak yang kalian jawab. Oke, nomor 2, mungkin Eli bisa menjawab.
Yes, sir.
Oke, apa Eli menurut kamu? Nomor 2 jawabannya.
I think this is for the all students, sir.
Oke, very good. Nomor 3, Fitria mungkin bisa ngejawab Fitria nomor 3.
Yes, sir. When will the competition be held? On Friday, 14 June 2026.
Okay. Very good. Number 4, Cindy, can you help me? Can you answer? Nomor 4.
Yes, sir. The answer for number 4 is in the school hall.
Okay, very good Cindy. Last one, number 5. Siapa nih yang menjawab? Abdillah atau Eldi? Nomor 5 yang menjawab.
Saya, sir.
Oke, Abdillah apa Abdillah nomor 5?
Question number 5 is what should each class do? Each class should send one representative, sir.
Good job Abdillah. Keren banget kamu bisa jawab dua. Oke. Now
Thank
let's
you,
move on
sir.
to the answer key. Oke, you're welcome Abdillah. Kita cek jawabannya apakah benar atau tidak di slide berikutnya. Ah, ini dia. Tadi pertama kata Abdillah English speech competition betul. Lalu kata LD jawabannya juga betul. All student. Yang ketiga juga betul tanggal yang disebutin Fitria. Yang kelima juga betul apa yang disebutin Cindy. Yang terakhir panjang jawabannya tapi Abdillah berhasil loh ngejawab ya. Keren banget Abdillah. Good job Abdillah. And now we come to an end of this presentation. The last one. Review and closing. Now let's conclude the material. Announcement text is a short text that gives important information to many people. The social function is to inform readers about an event, activity, schedule, or important notice. The structure of announcement text consists of title or opening, content, and closing or contact person. When we read announcement text, we should find important information by using what, who, when, where, and how. So, for the example text, we know that announcement is about English speech competition at school. And now, before we end the presentation, itu ada pertanyaan kan ya? Nah, nanti saya pengen kalian satu-satu kirimin jawabannya ya di grup. Jangan lupa tulis juga NPM dan nama
Baik, Pak.
absen kalian. Ya itu tuh. What information should we find when reading an announcement? I think that's enough for today class. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you,
Terima
sir.
kasih, Sir.